Hello scientists. Today we are going to be investigating changes in substances. So as you can see, we have our two substances, calcium chloride and sodium carbonate. So I am just going to observe both substances so I could make note of their properties. So looking at my calcium chloride, it is a clear liquid, and I am just going to use a spoon so you could see the consistency of the liquid. So it is pretty thin, and I am going to do the same thing for the sodium carbonate. It is also a clear liquid. The calcium chloride appears to be a bit more opaque. This one feels a bit thinner than the other. So now I am going to take both of my substances and I am going to mix them together in this cup. And so immediately I can detect a change when these two things are mixed together. My liquid actually is thicker, so I am going to stir so I can mix. And you guys can see the change in color. I'm going to view from the top so you could also see the change in consistency. So it looks a bit like jelly at this point in time. And I am just going to keep stirring those two substances so that everything is thoroughly mixed. So I do see more solid jelly-like pieces in there. And I am going to be stirring, and I will let you guys see everything that is happening. So again, the consistency of my liquids have changed as I stir. It is becoming thicker and thicker. It is also becoming more opaque. So that liquid is a lot more viscous than it was before, not the smooth flowing liquid that I initially had with the two substances. This is what I now have in my cup. So again, I'm going to keep stirring. Okay, everything is a lot more incorporated than it was before. So I'm just going to keep stirring and I will be right back. Okay, so I've been stirring for a couple more seconds. So this is what I currently have. So you can see the color has changed significantly. Even the thickness of it, the more I stir, is changing. So you can see it is now a darker white color And now it is even thinner than it was roughly 30 seconds ago. So I can even feel the difference as I am mixing. So now my liquid flows a whole lot better than it did before. And you can even see that change in the consistency of the liquid. Okay, so there you have it. Hope you guys were able to notice what happened and be able to determine whether or not there was a change in our initial substances. Make sure you write down all of your observations.